But Swami suffered with severe headache for 3 days. 1 minute. Severe headache for 3 days. Swami's comment. She was a lady devoted to Mahalakshmi in the past birth. This punishment in this birth is the result of her hit on the head of a cow that came to her house and disturbed her prayer by crying. Next, Mahima. Curing my mother from pains of surgery. My mother underwent surgery in a hospital and was suffering with severe pains. My father returned home and bowed to Swami, thinking about the extreme pains of my mother. Swami smiled and gave a sweet to my father to be given to my mother as offering of God. Then the time was exactly 9 p.m. At the same time, my mother experienced a severe shock of electricity and her pains disappeared from that moment. Swami's comment. This soul sold her old cow to a butcher in the past birth, and this is the result of that sin. Next one. Curing a cobbler from burnings. One day, large burns appeared on the body of Swami suddenly, and all the devotees were shocked. Swami told that he has taken the burns of a cobbler living in his native village who loved Swami very much from childhood. Swami suffered a lot for 3 days and refused to take any medical treatment. On the fourth day, the burns disappeared by themselves. Swami's comment. This cobbler was a Brahmin lady in the past birth who tortured her daughter-in-law by pouring hot oil on her, and its result is this. Next one. Hello. Next, next one. Curing BP of a good devotee, blood pressure of a good devotee. Sri Satyanarayana was a good devotee of God, always following the path of justice. He was not the devotee of Swami, but very much respects Swami. He was suffering with high blood pressure when Swami went to his house and sat by his side, asking him to test his blood pressure with the instrument present with him. The blood pressure was normal. Swami returned to our house and suffered with high blood pressure throughout the night, which was indicated by the instrument. Swami's comment. This soul was a Brahmin lady who was torturing her husband through harsh words, raising his blood pressure. Often, and this is the result of that. He may not be my devotee, which means not the devotee of this dress, human form, but he is my devotee. Next Mahima. Curing undetectable disease. Rama is the second daughter of CBK Murthy, suffering with an undetectable disease for doctors who examined and tell that she has no disease. The suffering of disease is that every day by 3 p.m. she gets severe depression and shakes with severe pain as if she is in the last minutes of life. CBK Murthy and his wife were in Hyderabad with her since the seriousness of illness was in climax. They phoned to their eldest son in office to find out Swami and inform this to him. They were surprised to hear from their daughter-in-law that Swami arrived already to their house by 1 p.m. itself on that day, saying that one of their family members is to expire. Swami started singing songs on Lord Shiva to stop the death. Bhaskar, the eldest son of CBK Murthy, informed Swami that his father wants to talk with Swami on phone. Swami replied, no need. Tell your father that I am on the same work. Rama was saved from the danger. Next day, Swami came to her house at Hyderabad. The disease appeared again at 3 p.m. Swami was taking rest lying on the cot. Rama went and caught the feet of Swami, shedding tears continuously while suffering with that severe illness. CBK Murthy told Swami, either save her or kill her. Swami told, are you also talking like this, being my real devotee? Swami stood and placed his hand on her head, singing song on Lord Shiva. She was relieved from that illness from that moment onwards, forever in her life. Swami's comment. This soul was a government doctor in the past birth, taking lot of bribe from patients who were depressed by that, and this is the result of that past sin. Next one, curing diarrhea and severe throbbing abdominal pain. A. Sri CBK Murthy suffered with severe diarrhea and was admitted in the hospital on saline treatment. Swami was in the house of Ajay when the news came. Swami told, CBK Murthy is my fundamental pillar of this spiritual program. How can I let him suffer like this? Immediately, CBK Murthy recovered in the hospital and the same diarrhea attacked Swami at once. Ajay was pained very much seeing the tedious suffering of Swami and told, I read in the books of incarnations of Datta that Datta transfers the disease of devotees to his body and suffers. But I am seeing this for the first time with my eyes. Next one. Once CBK Murthy developed serious abdominal pain which attacks him even if a grain of food is taken. He became very weak within few days. One day, Swami came to his house and was taking meals served by Srimati Bhavani, wife of CBK Murthy. CBK Murthy sat near Swami, praying him while shedding tears. Swami, you cured this same disease of a devotee while you were Sri Narasimha Saraswati. Please cure me now also from the same illness. The items served to Swami in food were very hard, like curry of potatoes, dal of mango, etc. Swami told, if you have such real faith in me, come on, eat this food. Swami gave the food to him also while eating. Srimati Bhavani warned her husband not to eat any such harsh food since even very soft food is not digested by him. CBK Murthy neglected her words and started eating the hard food with high tamarind and chilies given by Swami. CBK Murthy ate lot of food given by Swami. He did not get the pain, which disappeared forever from that time onwards, and CBK Murthy used to take normal food every day. Next one. One day, while taking bath, CBK Murthy suffered with terrible waist pain. Swami came at 3 p.m. and asked him, shall I take your pain? By that day, CBK Murthy digested the philosophy of Swami, which is a real devotee should suffer the fruits of his own sins and should not ask favor from Swami. If Swami cancels the fruits of sins, Swami becomes the breaker of his own law. Hence, Swami suffers for the sake of devotee to satisfy the deity of justice. Is this real love of devotee to Swami? CBK Murthy replied, let me enjoy my own sins. Swami should not suffer for my sake. Swami was pleased and sang devotional songs for 3 hours. Swami said, on your behalf, I prayed God, you will suffer with this pain for some more time in mild quantities. I have increased the span of time of suffering and decreased the size of each quantum of pain. CBK Murthy suffered with mild pain for some more days. Swami's comment. This soul is a great devotee and priest in the temple of Lord Shiva in the past birth. His old teacher visited his home twice. First time, the soul gave spoiled food, and second time, refused to give any food. This is the result of those two sins in the form of diarrhea and severe abdominal pain, respectively. The waist pain was due to beating due to beating the waist of a dog by the same priest. Next one. Curing the baby from serious illness. Sri Ramnath was a very great devotee of Sri Akkalkot Maharaj, incarnation of Datta. Hence, Swami treats him as his very dear devotee, since Swami is also the incarnation of same Lord Datta. By the grace of Datta, expressed through Swami, Sri Ramnath flourished very much in the materialistic line also. Whenever Swami goes to Mumbai, it is a rule that Swami stays in their house for 2 to 3 days before departure. The devoted couple serves Swami with full affection. Once, the baby of this couple was hospitalized with serious illness. Swami in Vijayawada sang a song from a long Sanskrit song prayer on God Brahma present in Bhakti Ganga for the recovery of that baby, and the baby recovered. That song means I pray God Brahmadatta, who alone can modify the old judgment written by him on the forehead. Lalata Rekham Karmabaddham Parimarshtumyah Kevalohi Sarvasamardho Lekhakoyam Dhatarantam Mula Moolam. On another occasion, a close relative of Sri Ramanath fell ill seriously and he phoned to Swami about that. Swami told him, tell the name of Rama in her ear. Next day she expired. Swami's comment, this baby was a merchant in the past birth and now punished through this illness for taking more profits in the past birth. The second case does not deserve extension of life and hence Swami did not interfere. Namaskar, Swami. Gnanam meha
नमस्ते
gnanam
विभूतिर्वा यत्किञ्चित् प्रेषितं मया सर्वं दत्तगुरोरेव अपरियन्तं मम
dhruvam. Namaskar, Swami. Namaskar.
नमस्ते नेक्स्ट भक्ति गंगा
नमस्कार स्वामी जी.
हाँ नमस्ते
Yes, Swamiji, sharing Swami.
यस
भज रे वीणा पाणिं भज रे वीणा पाणिं वाणी मलिकुलवेणी वेणी क्षण सुमबाणा क्षोणाधर करकोणा भज रे वीणा पाणिं भज रे वीणा पाणिं भज रे वीणा पाणिं कमलासन घन कामां विधिरामामभिरामां शमदम सुगुण स्तोमां घुम घुम सौरभ भामा भज रे वीणा पाणिं भज रे वीणा पाणिं भज रे वीणा गलगलितकमलमालां सुविलसिततिलकफालां भज रे वीणापाणिं भज रे वीणापाणिं भज रे वीणापाणिं हंसयान चलदं सां हंसवाहनोत्तंसां हंसीं द्युतिजित हंसां हंसककलपिकहिंसां भज रे वीणापाणिं भज रे वीणापाणिं भज रे वीणापाणिं गद्यपद्यरस विद्यां मध्यहृद्यमधुवाद्याम् आद्यामुद्यत् सद्यो विद्युद्युतिमनवद्याम् भज रे वीणापाणिं भज रे वीणापाणिं भज रे वीणापाणिं क्वणितकच्छपीं हस्ते न्यस्तसुपुस्तकमालां प्रशस्तमस्ताभ्यस्तां स्तुतिभिस्तता मनस्तां भज रे वीणापाणिं भज रे वीणापाणिं भज रे वीणापाणिं सङ्गीतमङ्गलाङ्गीं शृङ्गारशृङ्गरङ्गां भृङ्गालकनवभङ्गीं ब्रह्मसङ्गरसगङ्गां भज रे वीणापाणिं भज रे